All right, straightforward. We have a green light here. I mean, this does not need any further analysis. Crazy. Isn't it crazy what people, how idiots can hurt people? Like, this person is just in the wrong place at the wrong time, and they're going to get hurt because of somebody's negligence or just recklessness. Isn't that scary? I mean, I think about that at least once a day. I mean, I represent people just like me, you know, normal people. I represent normal people who are just going about their average life, and then boom, you know, they get into some crazy accident, and it's life-changing, and they did nothing wrong. Here's the deal with this. When your tire blows out, there are defective tire lawsuits that happen all the time. People, you know, a lot of people a lot of people just discount it as like bad luck, especially when, I mean, this person was clearly, I mean, this was a severe impact, right? You need to talk to a lawyer if something like this ever happens, because there are defective tire lawsuits. I mean, why did that tire blow up? You know, like, obviously if the tire was 20 years old and run down, then it's going to be the driver's fault. But if it was a new tire and just exploded like that, you know, that's really dangerous. It happens all the time. So this is obvious. I mean, clearly point of view car has the right of way. Red car is being pulled over, it looks like. The red car does not check the road. I mean, I don't know how you missed this car. We don't need further analysis. We'll just play it one more time and keep rolling. My face is blocking it, but pretend behind my face there's green lights. This dumb truck's running a red light to begin with.
Oh my God.
Yeah, so that, obviously not the point of view car. The red car was running a red light. Again, I'm sorry you guys can't see it. It's green light. I mean, the guy has the green light. Chat, let's talk about Caleb's comment. Here's the deal with self-driving cars. I'm excited for self-driving cars. I think they're going to be great. I think they're overall going to be a lot safer, right? I'm not saying that there won't be accidents. I just think there will be fewer accidents. Here's going to be the issue with self-driving cars. Who's going to be responsible if the self-driving car crashes? Is it going to be the maker of the self-driving car? Is it going to be the maker of the software of the self-driving car? Is it going to be the driver who puts the car on the self-driving mode? What if the car only has a self-driving mode? Like, what if you can't even drive the car yourself? Who's going to be responsible? What's going to happen when the car gets into a situation where there's an imminent crash coming, right? What's going to happen when the self-driving car is in a situation where they're going to crash no matter what? And they have to make a decision where they're going to turn left, veer to the left, and hit a car with two passengers in it, or they're going to veer to the right and hit somebody with four passengers in it. How is the car going to make that decision? How is it going to prioritize, you know, who gets hurt, who doesn't get hurt? You know, who's it going to save? Who's going to be responsible? What is going to happen? So there's just so many interesting legal aspects. AttorneyTom.com, shameless plug. It's one of my websites. Practice areas. Autonomous driving vehicle accidents. Right on my website. Crazy what can happen. I actually know the lawyer who represented the first autonomous car death. You know, there's like in Arizona, there was an Uber, driverless Uber, and it ran over a pedestrian and killed her. I know the lawyer who represented the lady. I hit the brakes, nothing happened. I hit the e-brake to prevent from hitting a car. If they started going, since the light was red, then the tires locked up when I hit the e-brake. Wow. Yeah, so faulty brake case. So I have never had a faulty brake case myself. However, I will say this. One of the partners at my other law firm, the 13 attorney firm that I'm a part of, the trial litigation house, you walk into his office, he's got a replica of a braking system with like brake pads or whatever. One of his very first mega cases that he ever won, he took it to trial, was against a brake changing place. And he was able to prove that this place put these brakes on incorrectly. This place put the brakes on incorrectly, and when this person hit the brakes, it caused the car to like veer one way because like one or two of the pads wasn't on correctly, causing a really bad crash. And so he has the demonstrative in his office.